Hello guys, today I will showing video how to fix iPhone 5s not charging, fake charging and no power cases in charging IC. How you can know which IC are damaged, and step by step, if you are following like me, you can fix easy your iPhone 5s. I was before opening all the tool for make short tutorial. Always remember, if any iPhone not charging, connect charger and check VCC output voltage. If not showing voltage 4 volt more, it's mean the charging IC problem. Here looking not a normal, is abnormal. Here looking 1 volt or less, it's mean not a good reading the charging IC. VCC not showing. Again I will try to check battery connector positive 1.3. It's also not like a normal voltage. If you find like this problem, your iPhone not showing outgoing voltage, charging outgoing voltage less than 4, it means your phone not a charging well or fake charging, like that. This IC now I will try to replace. I take the picture the IC right position, because sometimes we are forget the right position where. For that I will take it the picture. iPhone 5s, the right model ICU to right model name 1610A1. Look at the here I am showing the right model and position, IC position 1610A1. I remove it very well without any ball IC pin damage or like that. Just now I put new IC charging IC U2. This is a common problem all iPhone and iPad. If not charging or fake charging or no power. We should check very well the IC right position or something wrong. It's not working well. I put flags and right position. I reflow for soldering well the U2 IC. When have done the temperature, IC will automatically done the flex and flow. Yes, done. It's good. Now take it the right position. Wait for 2-5 minutes for cold port. Clean the port around the flags near the charging IC. Now I will check again. After done U2 IC change it, I will check again charger connected and BCC battery outgoing output voltage right or no. I connect the charger. Now check the multimeter. Battery positive. Good. Now battery outgoing output voltage are showing 4 point like that. It means the now is able to charge my phone. Charging now. Look the LCD screen battery blank. For battery blank not powering on, wait 5 or 10 minutes to turn it on. When battery 1% or 2%, phone was automatically turn it on. It's done. Now device turning on. Wait until turn on normally. We'll try again to check charging oil or we have something wrong or charging perfectly. Yes, done. Now charging. %4 battery now, right now. Yes, it's finally working.